Welcome back. Time now for our ETF Spotlight. Taking a look at chip stocks this morning. Actually, a lot of ETFs that capture chips and other types of businesses. Nvidia slashing its guidance. The stock tumbling double digits now, close to 14%. So there's the SMH. That's kind of the most widely traded semiconductor ETF. Nvidia accounts for about 5.6% of this ETF because it had been such a great performer. It went up the ranks of the big holdings. Also look at the SOX, SOXX, Philadelphia Semiconductor ETF. Very similar in terms of weightings. Actually, it's more than 7% of the SOX. But it's not just the semiconductor ETFs. If you look at the ARK Invest Web 2.0 ETF. This, by the way, one of the best performing ETFs of the last couple of years. Very FANG-like portfolio with a lot of these big platform companies. Nvidia had gotten to be more than 6% of this one, too. You see it down almost 2.5%. And finally, there's an ETF that covers video gaming and esports. It's very, very small. It's the Van Eck ESPO. ESPO is the ticker. Extremely small ETF, but a lot of big stocks in it. And here again, more than 7%, close to 8% of this one was in Nvidia. So obviously, one of the big growth stock stories of the last couple of years is going to kind of make its influence felt across the
I'm
board.
glad you did. I requested this on Squawk on the Street. I assume you were listening, so thank you.
I got it secondhand, yes.
Are you producing the show?
Yeah.
No, I just wanted, it's always interesting to
it's
see
always good to know,
what an important
like
component is. Yeah, but I didn't realize that there was that small gaming ETF in which Nvidia would have a significant
And it's kind of part of the way the industry works, right? You kind of grab it at what's working. And of course, it also shows you Nvidia was not obviously really a pure computing company, so it had all these different applications. So, yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a test of certain.
Although, Mike, it's interesting. The stock itself, had been down almost as much as 18%. So it has backed off well off the lows.
It has. In fact, the whole market kind of like repriced down and then sort of inched up in the last half hour.
It's been a comeback story of lately.
It has during the course of the day. Yep.